Hello guys, I welcome you all to the nursing education. So today we are going to study about the different stages of liver damage. There are main four stages of liver damage. The first one is healthy liver, that is shown like a red color. Then the second one is fatty liver, and when we come across the third stage of the liver damage, that is known as fibrosis. When it comes to the fourth stage of liver damage, it is known as cirrhosis. And the last and the most severe stage of the liver damage is called cancer. The cancer is the most fatal stage of the liver damage, and it can cause the death of the patient. And the cancer are mainly of two types, benign and malignant. Benign cancer spread from one part to another, and no, benign do not spread from one part to the another, and malignant cancer spread from one part to the other. So malignant type of cancer is the most severe one. So today we discuss about the 5 important stages of liver damage. Thank you guys for watching the video, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.